use the ECU tester tool to test excited band ECU. This is the batch number, and to test injector and ignition coil. Firstly, you connect ECU to power. You can see I connect power from the dashboard to ECU. And to test ignition coil and injector, you must connect the camshaft and crankshaft signal. This is crankshaft signal and this is the camshaft signal. I connect camshaft and crankshaft from ECU tester tool to ECU. Then you choose the ice and you choose the item 1. And you change the RPM. Now I turn on the power. So you can see you can sound ignition coil. And you can see ignition coils. When I simulation the crankshaft and crankshaft, ECU control the ignition coil. You can see ignition coil 5 and ignition coil 2 not run. And I find the problem with ignition coil 2 and ignition coil 5. Now I check the signal from ECU to ignition coil. You can use the oscilloscope or VOM to check signal ECU control ignition coil. You can use an oscilloscope check ECU signal control the ignition coil. If there is no signal, you can conclude ECU is faulty. After that, if you want to repair ECU, you find IC control the ignition coil, and then you change a new IC. And if you have question about the video, and if you want to support the circuit diagram or IC in ECU or support repair ECU, you can contact with me. Thank you for your watching.